Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today, we're diving into how to pronounce the beautiful Irish phrase Mo Chuisle. You've probably heard it in movies like Million Dollar Baby, but do you know how to say it correctly? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about what Mo Chuisle actually means. It comes from the Irish language and translates to my pulse or my darling. It's a term of deep affection and is often used poetically or romantically. Say it with me, Muh KUSH-luh. Mo Chuisle, Mo Chuisle, Mo Chuisle, Mo Chuisle. 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 Mo Chuisle, Mo Chuisle, Mo Chuisle, Mo Chuisle.